Panhandle gusts top 40 miles per hour regularly, and patio shades in Amarillo, Texas take the full force of that. Most shade solutions fail not because of the fabric, but because of how they are mounted and whether they tie into your home. Freestanding structures catch wind from every direction. Attached patio covers share that load with your home's wall framing, and that difference shows when a southern gust rolls through. The attachment point also lets us seal the connection well, keeping water out and preventing hardware from working loose season after season. Pergolas handle high winds well because the open beam design allows air to pass through rather than pushing against a solid surface. Many homeowners pair a pergola with drop shades for sun control without adding a fixed overhead panel. Screen enclosures take a different approach. A rigid aluminum frame with screened walls blocks wind, bugs, and blowing dust in a way open patio covers cannot match. For yards used across multiple seasons, a screened room often makes more practical sense than an open structure. Material selection matters too. Heavier gauge framing, reinforced attachment hardware, and properly anchored footings make a major difference once strong spring winds and sudden pressure shifts move across the property. We look at your lot, your home's layout, and how you plan to use the space before we suggest anything. Our goal is a patio addition in Potter County, Texas that will hold up for many years to come, built for how the Texas Panhandle actually behaves. Reach out to Amarillo Solar Shade Co. in Amarillo, Texas today to request your free estimate and get the full picture in writing.